excited because we're about to go aboard this train, the Great Southern, and it's its very first journey from Adelaide to Brisbane. This is our cabin on the Great Southern, and in the daytime it has seating, and then at night time they put down the beds and it's bunk beds. And then there's also a bar cabin and a restaurant cabin. But tonight we're heading to the Grampians and we're going to be having dinner outside. We've stopped in Yass, and today we're exploring the wineries of Murrumbateman, and we just stopped for lunch at Poacher's Pantry.